Welcome one and welcome all to our big and bright fun hall. Today is the day we jump with cheers. Our colors of joy are finally here. Red for love and yellow for light. Green for trees that reach new heights. Blue for skies and purple for dreams. Orange for all our sunny beams.
Rainbow man, here comes the rainbow man, singing colors bright and bold, painting skies red and gold.
We have danced, we have drawn, we have learned to play. Now we bring it all your way. So take a seat and smile wide. We are glad to have you by our side.
Colors of joy, colors of joy. Colors of joy, colors of joy.
With songs and stories, laughs and fun, our rainbow show has just begun. Let's clap our hands, give a big hooray for this magical, colorful, joyful day.
Rainbow man, here comes the rainbow man, singing colors bright and bold, painting skies red and gold.
Hello, friends! I am the Rainbow Man. I make sure the grass is green, the sky is blue, and your spaghetti sauce is perfectly red. Color is my superpower.
Rainbow in the sky, spreading colors way up high. Red and orange, yellow bright, green and blue and purple light. Red like apples, juicy sweet, orange pumpkins at your feet. Yellow sunshine, bright and warm, green like frogs who leap and swarm. Blue like skies and oceans wide, purple sparkles by my side. Rainbow, back again, let the colors never end.
But being colorful is hard work. So one day, Rainbow Man decided to take a little teeny tiny nap.
Just 5 minutes.
Tipping on your tippy toes, tippy toes, tippy toes. Tipping on your tippy toes, you try to get around. Tipping on your tippy toes, tippy toes, tippy toes. Tipping on your tippy toes, you make a tippy sound.
While Rainbow Man naps, I, Mr. Gray, will take all the colors. No more yellow bananas or red ladybugs. Just good old black and white. Boring is beautiful. The world looks best in black and white, black and white, black and white. No more red or green inside, just black and white today. Bananas gray and frogs are too. Skies are gray and oceans too. Who needs colors? Not me, boo-hoo. Just black and white today.
Tipping on your tippy toes, tippy toes, tippy toes. Tipping on
My colors! What happened? Where's the red? Where's the green? Oh, even my socks! They are sad!
When I nap, the colors go, and the world turns gray and slow. Rainbow, rainbow, time to shine. Let's bring all the colors out. Rainbow, rainbow, time to shine. Let's bring all the colors out.
First came Red. Red said, "Don't worry, I'll start the show with energy, hugs, and a warm hello." Red is love. It's bold and bright.
It's full of hugs and happy cheer. Let's welcome our red heart with a big cheer.
Oh no! This world is so grey. I can't let that happen. I'm red and I bring love and energy to this world. I fill hearts with warmth and I give life to everything from roses to apples. When you see me, you feel the warmth of a hug, the excitement of a celebration, and the love between friends and family. Let me fill the world with love. Hello, I'm orange. I bring fun and creativity to the world. I am the color of setting sun, juicy oranges, beautiful autumn leaves. Without me, the world would miss all the playful fun. So I bring warmth and energy to the world, like laughter shared with friends. I spark creativity to the world. Let me make the world more playful and fun. I am yellow and I bring the sunshine. Without me, the flowers can bloom and they can be bright. I bring cheer and happiness to every corner of the world, just like the golden rays of the sun. Let me brighten your day.
Where every seed begins to grow. I am the mountains, strong and steady, standing tall through time. I am the color of roots, of strength, of life, grounded deep in nature. dancing frogs and buzzing bees. Green is grass, trees and leaves, a color that sings with a gentle breeze. It brings calm and it's so cool. Let's go green and dance like we're in the jungle.
I bring nature to life. I'm the grass beneath your feet, the trees that sway in the breeze, and the leaves that give you fresh air. Without me, there would be no nature. I bring peace and calm, like a peaceful walk in the forest. I help the world grow, and I am the keeper of the earth's beauty. Let me help you grow and feel at peace. I am blue, the color of raindrops falling gently from the sky. I bring coolness from the refreshing shower, washing the earth. Raindrop dance on the leaves, making the world come alive.
Purple is magic, dreams and stars. It takes us to castles and lands afar, with fairy wings and sparkles too. Purple brings a royal view. Purple twinkle like stars above, with fairy wings and lots of love. She said, close your eyes and you will see a world of magic just like me.
I become magic and wonder. I'm the color of the moonlight, shiny stars and dreamy night. Without me, the sky will lose sparkle and peace. I be white beauty like a lullaby in the dark. I shimmer and shine, silvery spark. Let me make the world feel peaceful, dreamy and bright. I am gold, the color of desert sand that shimmer in a sun. I reflect the warmth of the earth and the brilliance of the day. I am the treasure hidden beneath the ground and the light that shines at dawn. Wherever I appear, I bring a sense of wonder and rare beauty. All the things purple, pink and yellow bright. I bring colors to your side. Ta-da! Oh, hello Rainbow Man. I am white. So nice to see you, bright and stripy. Stripy? That's a new one, but I like it. And you? You're so clean and shiny, like a cloud with sparkles. Thank you. Did you know I'm secretly all the colors hiding together? No way. You're all of me in you? Yup. When red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple all hold hands really tight, poof, they become me. What? The sun is a color blender? You bet, a super powered one. So when I'm being all colorful in the sky after rain, it just sounds like doing a magic trick. That's right, you are the magical painting and I am the invisible mix underneath. Well then, we make a great team. I show off and you hold them all together. Partners in eight. Okay, wait. Now remove our jackets.
makes there something new. Colors world with all their might and shine together big and wide.
Tippy toes, tipping on your tippy toes, you make a tippy sound. Flopping on your floppy feet, floppy feet, floppy feet, flopping on your floppy feet, you make a floppy sound. Run, 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 run. Run!
Oh no! All my hard work has gone! Why did you bring back all the colors? I made the world to match me. It was beautiful.
Gray, the world needs color. Look how happy everyone is.
Well, I feel invisible next to all your colors. Nobody likes gray.
That's not true. Gray is the color of soft clouds, cozy koalas, cool rocks, even stormy skies that water the earth.
Really? Even stormy skies?
Especially stormy skies. Without gray, the rainbow wouldn't be nearly as magical.
Wow! Everything is so happy again!
Colors make Earth smile, but we need to take care of her too.
No littering. Water the plants. Use the recycle bin, not the ground. Be kind to animals.
Saving the Earth keeps the colors bright.
And even rainbow needs gray. And I promise never to steal colors again.
Colors here and colors there. Let's all show the earth we care. Pick up trash and plant a tree. Keep our planet clean and free. Gray and rainbow hand in hand, helping gather super grand. Gray and rainbow hand in hand, helping gather super grand.
Let's be kind. Let's be thoughtful. Let's work together to keep the earth happy and bright for today and for tomorrow. Thank you for joining us in the Colors of Joy.